Understanding Drone Laws, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the term drone laws. Drones have become increasingly popular, and with that, the rules governing their use have become a hot topic. If you've ever been curious about what you can and cannot do with a drone, this video is for you. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are aircraft without a human pilot on board. They can range from small hobbyist quadcopters to large military-grade UAVs. The key thing to remember is that drones are subject to aviation laws, which can vary by country. Drone laws are the rules and regulations that govern the use of drones. These laws are designed to ensure safety, privacy, and security. They typically cover aspects such as where you can fly. Not all airspace is open to drones, especially near airports and in densely populated areas. How high you can fly. There are usually restrictions on the altitude at which you can operate a drone. When you can fly, some areas may have time restrictions for flying drones. Registration requirements. Many countries require you to register your drone if it falls within certain weight categories. Abiding by drone laws is crucial for several reasons. Safety, to prevent accidents in the air and on the ground. Privacy, to protect individuals from unauthorized surveillance and photography. Accountability, to ensure that drone operators are responsible for their actions. Ignoring drone laws can lead to serious consequences, such as fines, confiscation of your drone, or even criminal charges. It's important to be aware of and comply with the laws to enjoy flying your drone without any issues. We hope this video has shed some light on what drone laws are and why they're so important. Remember, flying a drone responsibly ensures everyone's safety and privacy. Happy and safe flying! Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.